What is the next game? We completed the first game. Okay, let's play the big battle. Right? Put all of them out. Guys, there's a bunch of bullies. There's a bunch of bullies. I also got the stickman too. Bro. The legendary pet is so nice. Bro, I know. Bro, what's the power? Guys, I know your power. I know your power. There's what Agad style. Sa'yo. Death flip. Ganto ka? Stand ganto. Hindi ganto ako. Pag ito-teleport ko sila. Watercolor ko na lang ako. Ito-teleport ko sila. Okay. 1, 2. Ah! There's more. Look, our pets are helping us. Get him. Guys. It says you've completed level 2. Guys, it says you've completed level 2. Third game, but actually, I have a cross. Guys, put your legs there so we can cross. Can't walk, bro. I made it. I got my leg back. I got my leg back.